Let me show you how to find leads with the highest buying intent possible, meaning leads that have the highest chance of purchasing your product, of needing your product, right? So the app we're going to be using for this is called Leadsforge. Now in Leadsforge, you can find leads in 3 ways. You can either just search, manual search, you just input what leads you want to find. For example, CMOs in the United States in SaaS companies, right? You do just text search, like AI will find leads for you. You don't need to play around with filters. You can find lookalikes or followers. For now, let's do search by customer profile. And I did it previously right here. I told it I need CMOs, head of growth in SaaS companies, and we got 12,775 leads in total. Now, to find the ones that are dying to get our product, that have the highest buying intent, we're going to enrich them. We click enrich, we select intent and signal, and then we just describe what kind of intent signal we want. For example, looking for UGC creators, maybe a different one, looking to grow on TikTok or Instagram, right? Maybe making organic YouTube content, right? Click start enrichment, and as you can see, it found the ones that are actually looking for UGC creators or other stuff. For example, you click here, for these two, it doesn't have the data, but this one, based on the lead's LinkedIn profile, evidence conclusively demonstrates UGC creation through creative leadership and content development, right? And here, people focus on social media growth, particularly Instagram, right? So this is like insanely powerful way, and you could do this for, whatever you want, right? Maybe expand the description so AI has easier way of finding stuff. But right now, I have leads that are looking for my services. How insane is that? I would enrich their email. I would find their work email. I reach out to them. I tell them, hey, let me film a few TikToks for you, I'll do a little dance. Boom, booked call, client signed, good to go. So you can try this app out for free. You get 100 credits. The link is in the description. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below. It was me, Sam. Have a good one and peace.